Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Andy back again from the underground. Today we're taking a look at the Balenci handles from Amazon compared to the Flexx Grips. This year in particular, I've seen a lot of different handles come out from different companies with the ability to have a 360 rotation as well as being able to lock in place with a pop pin. And I think that's a really good idea because there's a lot of row machines that are out there that have fixed handles, and these handles as well as others, specifically the Style Fitness and the JD Gym Equipped, can offer you a little bit different versatility when it comes to your rows that you may have. I didn't go ahead and buy into the Style Fitness or JD Gym Equipped handles just because I didn't know if I actually really wanted something like this. I just wanted to test it out. And the Style Fitness handles, I believe they're like $190 shipped, as well as there's some tariffs that you have to pay. My friend Garage Gym Junkies, he did a video on these Style Fitness handles. Definitely look interesting, but it is a little bit pricier of a purchase. The JD Gym Equipped handles, they look top notch. However, they're very pricey. I think in that screenshot that I just played over, they're about $400. And I don't know if that includes shipping, but after tax and whatnot, that will be pretty pricey just for those handles. Kind of getting into the too long didn't watch up front. These Balenci handles, they're just okay. They're not that great. They weigh 2.5 pounds each. The knurl, it looks good, but the knurl feels really passive and non existent. Um, in general, the handle diameter is actually really small as well. I show it later right here, but it's about 25 millimeters in diameter. So unless you have really small hands, these will be pretty small for most people like myself. I prefer the Flex Grip handles, which is about 32 millimeters. I've also been thinking about doing the Rogue Fitness handle upgrade on my Flex Grips. Let me know if you guys want to see a video like that. It is a little bit more pricey. It makes the Flex Grips go up to over like $100 per pair just to have that handle upgrade, but I've seen a lot of people do it and it looks pretty good. The issues that I have with my Balenci handles is one, the knurl is non existent, as I was just saying. Two, the hook on the Balenci handles, when you hook in, it's like a carbon fiber kind of material or like just like a plastic piece. So it's actually really slick. So it doesn't really stay in place like how the Flex Grips does when you are putting it on a machine. So I'm going to show you later with the ATX dual linear row that the Balenci handles, they just slide a lot, or you feel like you can't slide them easily. And the rotation for one of my handles on the Balencis, um, I'm not sure what's going on, but it just feels really stiff. It's hard to turn, and it just doesn't rotate freely. I tried to loosen it up with the bolts and with an Allen key. It just doesn't budge as well. It feels really put together, really solid. In terms of replacing the Flex Grips with the Balenci handles, I would say the Flex Grips are a little bit better, even though they don't have a pop pin to put the Flex Grips into a fixed position. However, I haven't really had any issues with the Flex Grips getting out of position in terms of how I want to pull on the handle. For example, if I want to pull neutral grip with the Flex Grips, there's not really a lot of play that goes back and forth. With the Balenci handles, although the metal that they use for the handle components and where the hook mechanism is thicker, it feels like there's more play when I'm using the handles just because of the pop pin mechanism isn't as dialed in as it probably could be. And that's where it kind of holds back on me recommending these handles. I mean, if you could get these really cheap, then I think they should be fine. But I paid about $80 for these Balenci handles. So they are more expensive than the Flex Grips that I do have. and the rotation isn't as good as the Flexx Grips. I've never really had any issues with the Flexx Grips not performing to how I want them to. And at this point, I'm really thinking about just upgrading the Flexx Grips with the Rogue handle kit that people have been doing in Hack. So I go ahead and use both the Balenci and the Flexx Grip handles at the same time. I do like the Flexx Grips more just because the handle is thicker, it's easier to grip. The Flexx Grips also have the handle itself is shorter in general, so you get a little bit more range of motion using the Flexx Grips. However, I still am in the market for searching for a handle like the Balenci that I could hook onto things and put it into a fixed position. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That's just going to do it for this video too. Yeah, you could probably do the upgrades for the Balenci handles using some Rogue handles and drilling a bigger hole into the receiving hole where you could put the handles. However, I don't really want to invest that much money into something that I don't think is that good. Anyways, be sure you like and subscribe. I'll back at your boy. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.